Hey guys, it's Mary and welcome back to Study Journey. I'm back with another AMC Problem of the Week video, and this is going to be about using triangles and parabolas to analyze a problem and solve the equation. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. This is AMC 10B Problem 9 of the year 2016. All three vertices of triangle ABC are lying on the parabola defined by y equals x squared, with A at the origin and BC parallel to the x-axis. The area of the triangle is 64. What is the length of BC? Your answer choices are 4, 6, 8, 10, and 16. Now, looking at some keywords, we can see that this is a triangle ABC, and all three of these vertices are lying on the parabola, which is y equals x squared. A is the origin, and BC is parallel to the x-axis. It tells you that the area of the triangle is 64 and is asking you the length of BC. So looking at problems like these, the best way is to first draw yourself a diagram so you can have a visual of what you're trying to find. Now, so we know that a parabola is like a U shape, and since it is defined by y equals x squared, we can see that the origin would be on the graph. So this would be y equals x squared, and it says A is at the origin. So this was A. And we're trying to find a triangle that is ABC and BC is parallel to the x-axis. Remember, it says that all three vertices are lying on this parabola. Since this is the origin and the middle of this parabola, we can see that if BC were parallel, it could be anywhere on the graph so that ABC will connect to be a triangle. And the area of the triangle is 64. And BC is parallel to the x-axis, so it can't be slanted or anything. Now that we know this, it is asking you to find the length of BC. Well, if we can use the area of this triangle, can't we find the side length? Well, let's look at this. Let's let right here to right here, let's let this be R. So if this is R, remember this is y equals x squared. So if the x is R, then the y would have to be x squared, which is r squared. So we know that this length would be r squared. If this is r, then since we know this is a parabola, then this side is equal to this side. So BC is equal to 2r. And all we have to do is solve for r. Since we already know the area of the triangle, the area as, let's say, of triangle ABC can be written as the base, which is 2r, times the height, which is r squared, divided by 2. And this is just r to the third power. And since we know the area is 64, r equals 4. Because 4 times 4 times 4 is equal to 64. So the total distance of BC, which we are trying to find, would be 2r. So we just plug it back in. And this would be 8. And that would be our answer. So looking at our answer choices, we can see that the answer would be C, 8.